Hello dear students, welcome to PM tutorial. My name is Preeti Mittu and I teach science and maths to grades 7 till 10th. Today we are taking a topic called as algebraic expression, which is useful in all the classes. In 7th and 8th you have special chapters based on algebraic expressions. So let's come to the chapter. Fine. We'll start with constants, right? What are constants? Constants are the numbers that we regularly use which or whose value do not change at all. So constants are like 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. So 1, 2, any number, 1 lakh, right? Or minus 4. These are all constants because the value of constant do not change at all. Okay, wherever we put it, its value remains the same. Next come variables. Variables are specially denoted by small letters or capital letters, alphabets. Okay, suppose I write P is equals to 4s. Okay, for small s, we'll say small s. So P is the perimeter. Perimeter of any square is 4 times its side. So whenever we change the side, the perimeter also changes, right? So that's why we call them variable. But 4, the value of 4 remains the same. Fine. So this is the difference between a constant and a variable. Constant, the value remains the same, and variable, the value changes as per our requirement. Fine. So variable is always shown by, denoted by small or capital alphabets. Fine. Then we come to algebraic expression. So combination of these constants and variables is known as algebraic expression. So this is one algebraic expression I have written. Suppose I write 4x square plus 3x plus 9. So this is an algebraic expression. This has constants also, variables also, and we can see the signs also, positive and negative, or we can say this is minus 24y. Fine. So this is algebraic expression. Now in algebraic expressions we have various terms. Terms are always separated by plus and minus. Mind it, this is plus and minus. So in this expression we have 4 terms. One is 4x square, another term is 3x, third term is 9, and fourth term is minus 24y. Wherever there is a positive sign, we normally do not mention it because it's taken by default. Okay, but if there is a negative sign, we have to show it. Fine. If I am writing 3x, it means plus 3x. So plus and minus, they separate various terms. So this expression has many terms, 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are separated by plus and minus. Fine. So here we come with types of uh, algebraic expressions. So if we have only one term, suppose I write 2x, so it's known as monomial. Okay. If suppose I write 9yz plus 4x. Okay, you can see there are 2 terms which are separated by a plus. So it's a binomial. Okay. Then suppose I see this. So this is a trinomial because 3 terms are separated by plus or minus, and the thing which I wrote before, 24y, then it's a polynomial. Fine. So anyways, after monomial, we can always say all type of expressions are, algebraic expressions are polynomial. Fine. So we have many types of algebraic expression. Again, constants are something whose value do not change. Variables, they take up various values. That is why they are known as variable. They vary, right? And algebraic expression, combination of constants and variables are algebraic expressions. Then terms, The various terms of algebraic expression are separated by plus and minus. Then there are different types of algebraic expression. Monomial, single term is monomial. If we have two terms, we have binomial. If we have three terms, we call them trinomial. And more than three is always called as polynomial. In fact, after monomial, binomial, trinomial, they are also known as polynomials. Fine. So here we have done till the terms part, types also. Fine. So I think you should take a click of this, and then I will explain you factors, coefficients, like and unlike terms. Okay, please take it.